cleanout is an access point to maintain your sewer line. It's going to be typically a cap you can unscrew so you can stick a cable machine down to clear a potential blockage. Roots, baby wipes, and various hygiene products are most common. Everyone should have a cleanout access for emergencies. You need to be able to clear your sewer line effectively and quickly. If not, you're flooding your house with sewage everywhere. If your home currently does not have a cleanout access, I recommend installing an outside access cleanout to maintain your sewer line. Give Western Rooter a call and check us out at www.westernrooter.com. Thank you.